Hi, welcome to Quick Draw Tunes.
With me, Al.
And me, Ola.
So what are we drawing today?
Cinnamoroll.
Oh yeah, from Hello Kitty. What do we need?
A pencil. A rubber. A brown pen. A light blue pen. And a pink pencil.
Very good. And don't forget, you can pause the video. Sorry, you just said to keep up at your own pace. Anything else we need to say? Good luck. So we're going to start in the middle of our page, around here, and you're going to do a gentle curve for the top of the head. And then bring that round the sides, each side, and then just curve it round and a bit more straighter under the chin, but not a complete straight line. It's a gentle curve. And then we do the ears. So curve it round, then a nice big round curve at the bottom. Really good. And then the same the other side. Looking good. And then little W for a mouth, like that. Not too big. And then the eyes at either side, an egg shape, either side of the mouth. It's looking really good. And we do the little, brilliant. And then we do the little paws that come just over the chin. The sides of the body that just come down a little bit like that, not too long. So, paws here that go round like that, and the same on the other side, round like that. And then join them with a gentle curve for the bum. And now just the tail. So watch this. You go from here. You go up and round, and then just put that little line in to join the gap. Brilliant job. Okay, so now we're going to colour it, but you're going to colour this Orla. When you're colouring it, we will speed it up and they can pause at any time. So give them a thumbs up. That's